Stuck again.
Call 317-316-9426. Garage door doctor's gonna come get it fixed.
Garage door doctor, I could scream and shout. The chain's loose, my springs broke, the safety eye's gone out.
No worries. Garage door doctor, ready to spring into action. Miracle concoctor, guaranteed satisfaction. You might need a new one or a simple repair.
Either way, that's okay, as long as you're fair.
We give the kind of service people say is rare. The doctor gives good care.
With surgical precision, you need to get it done quickly, efficiently, and not cost a ton.
No worries. Call 317-316-9426. Garage door doctor's gonna come get it fixed.
Do you make house calls?
Yeah.